Hello everybody. If you are wondering how to make detergent out of chestnuts, this is the correct video for you. So I found some chestnuts on a hike and I was very, very excited because I had seen someone make detergent out of chestnuts, and I carried several pounds of chestnuts back with me on this hike. It was worth it. And then it was a bit challenging to cut them, but I ended up figuring it out. You have to stab them first and then cut them in half. And I cut them into sort of small pieces and then put them outside in the sun to dry. And then Edwin, the squirrel who lives in my backyard, was just very interested in these chestnuts and wanted to know more about them. So I did not want Edwin to eat these chestnuts, so I put a cage around them to protect them. And then once they were nice and dry, I put them in a jar, and make sure that they're completely dry before you put them in a jar. Otherwise they could grow mold, and that would be bad. You don't want to wash your clothes with moldy chestnuts. And then to make the detergent, all you have to do is put the chestnuts in a jar with some hot water and then let them sit and bubble for about an hour until the water becomes sort of murky and gross looking, but it's supposed to look like that. And then you have made your detergent. And you can wash your clothes with it. I realized that I needed to clean the washing machine because it was a little bit dusty. And then the clothes turned out smelling pretty clean. None of them were that dirty to begin with, so I'm not sure how well this would fare with very stinky or dirty clothes. But if you have like medium stink clothes, I would suggest giving this a try. It worked for me. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day with some wonderful detergent making adventures. I hope you enjoyed the ASMR.